Namaste bachcho. Now I'm going to teach you the lesson number 3, Theek Samay. Shall I start? It will be very interesting. So Theek Samay. What is Theek Samay? What is the meaning for Theek Samay? Correct time. Theek means correct time. Sahi. Theek means another name in Hindi is Sahi. Samay means time. Okay, now I'll read this poem 8 lines. Now, after this, I'll give you the meaning for each line. ठीक समय पर नित उठ जाओ, ठीक समय पर चलो नहाओ, ठीक समय पर खाना खाओ, ठीक समय पर पढ़ने जाओ, ठीक समय पर मौज उड़ाओ, ठीक समय पर गाना गाओ, ठीक समय पर सब कर पाओ तो तुम बहुत बड़े कहलाओ. Who has written this poem? Sohanlal Dwivedi. Who has written this poem? Sohanlal Dwivedi. See one boy is, see the picture, how it is. We can, if I give the meaning, you can understand this, what it has given. ठीक समय पर नित उठ जाओ. You have to wake up every day in correct time. This is the first line. ठीक समय means correct time. Nit, what is the meaning for nit? Every day, daily. Ud jao means wake up. Okay, this is a theek samay par nit ud jao. You have to wake up every day in correct time. Second line, theek samay par chalo nahao. After wake up, what will you do? You brush your teeth and then you have to take bath. So that is given here. Theek samay par chalo nahao. You have to take bath in correct time. So nahana means to take bath. ठीक समय पर, you have to do that also in correct time. ठीक समय पर खाना खाओ. You have to take your breakfast or lunch or dinner, anything you have to eat in a correct time. But also you have to take, otherwise your health will be spoiled. तबीयत खराब हो जाती है. ठीक समय पर पढ़ने जाओ. उसके बाद क्या करना? उठना, नहाना, खाना, उसके बाद पढ़ने कहाँ जाना? Where you want to go to learn or read? To school, isn't it? So in correct time, before the bell rings, you have to be in your school. So this is the meaning for this 4 lines. For next 4 lines, ठीक समय पर मौज उड़ाओ. Mauj means you have to enjoy and do your work in correct time, everything. You have to enjoy and do it all the work. You should not be lazy for that. Each and everywhere, wake up and suddenly you have to get down from your bed. Afterwards, you want to brush your teeth and then you want to take bath. Whatever it is, you want to take food and then you have to go to school. All you have to do in enjoyment. ठीक समय पर गाना गाओ. What is ठीक समय पर? You have to sing a song also in correct time, in your perfect time, perfectness that should be there. ठीक समय पर सब कर पाओ. Whatever work you are doing, that you have to do incorrectly. तो तुम बहुत बड़े कहलाओ. All these things by doing, what you will become? You are the best. You should say, I am the best. You are the best. So यही इसका कहानी. एक 8 lines, 8 lines. So see some questions. मौखिक प्रश्न is given here. That is oral questions. क्या आप ठीक समय पर उठते हैं? Whether you are waking up every day in correct time. Second question, ठीक समय पर क्या क्या करने के लिए कहा गया है? What are the activities are given here in the textbook to do in correct time? What are the activities? Yes, उठ जाना, नहाना, खाना, पढ़ने जाना, मौज उड़ाना, गाना गाना, ये सब क्या होता है? ये सब ठीक समय पर करने के लिए कहा गया है. आप कैसे मौज उड़ाते हैं? How you are getting enjoyment by doing this? I'm asking, a teacher is asking the questions. आप कैसे मौज उड़ाते हैं? आप बहुत बड़े कैसे कहलाएंगे? How will you tell that you are the best in everything that you work done? Okay, these are the questions were asked. So next, see नित, रोज, प्रतिदिन, daily, मौज उड़ाना, खुशियां मनाना, that is enjoying. And then samay, waqt, Hindi meaning also and English meaning also is given, time. So abhyas, what is abhyas? Exercise. कविता गान सही उत्तर पर का निशान लगाइए, टिक द राइट आंसर। आपको कब उठना चाहिए? When will you wake up? ठीक समय पर या जब मन हो, जब माँ का है। What is the meaning for this? In correct time, when will you wake up? In correct time or whenever you want, or when your mother says to wake up, until that you will sleep. So which is the correct answer? ठीक समय पर, already given in the textbook. See, आपको कब खेलने के लिए जाना चाहिए? When will you go for playing? सुबह means morning. शाम को means evening. रात में means in the night. So which is the correct answer? शाम को। ठीक समय पर खाना ना खाने से क्या होगा? What will, if you didn't eat in your correct time every day, what will happen to your body or health? तबीयत खराब होगी, खाने का मन नहीं होगा, भूख नहीं लगेगी। What is the meaning for this? तबीयत खराब होगी, your health will be spoiled. You don't like that food. Second one. Third one, you didn't get hungry at all. So which is the correct answer? तबीयत खराब होगी. So second Roman is answer the questions that will be given in the notes of lesson. So here next see third Roman. कविता की पंक्तियां पूरी कीजिए. Complete the poem. You have to write, see the poem first page and then you write it. Missing words are given that you have to complete. So शब्द संपदा पढ़िए, समझिए और याद कीजिए. Read, understand and learn. That is the meaning for this. The first, this side and that side is given 3. What is this? Opposites in Hindi. What is ठीक? Correct. So what is correct opposite in English? That is galat, wrong. So ठीक, galat, correct, wrong, right, wrong, like this. Okay. Nit, what is nit? Yes, daily, every day. What is every day for opposite? What will you do? Sometimes, if you do, that is called kabhi kabhi. Sometimes. Bada means big. Chota means small. Okay. So khana means food. Pina means drinking. Khana, pina. Next, sona, jagna. Sona means to sleep. Jagna means to wake up. This is the sona means to sleep. What is the opposite for sleep? Jagna, wake up. Padna is to read. To read. So what is the opposite for to read? For writing only, no? So write. Likhna, to write means likhna, padna, likhna. See, in second kha, it is given meanings here. Theek, sahi, uchit, nit, nitya, pratidin, hari roz. Theek means already I told correct every day, or sorry, correct, right, sahi, uchit, right one, which is the right one, that is with the theek. So nit means every day, daily, nitya, pratidin, har roz. And second Roman Srutilek, listen and write. These are the words, dictation words. So theek, samaya, samay, nahawo, padna, padna, mauj, udana. These are all the 5 words given in this dictation words. So Bhasha Bodh, see, this and all you have to write in your own, but I have written and showing, so you have to read for that. कुछ शब्द काम करने के बारे में बताते हैं. You are doing some work, you are doing some work. How will you tell, Ma, I am writing the homework, I am reading the book, I am playing in the playground, or I am plucking the flower in the garden. So you are using yourself what you are doing. So I am saying you have to eat food in correct time. What will you say? हाँ, I am eating the food in correct time. मैं ठीक समय पर खाना खाती हूँ. ठीक समय पर पढ़ने जाऊँ. मैं ठीक समय पर पढ़ने जाता या जाती हूँ. ठीक समय पर गाना गाओ. मैं ठीक समय पर गाना गाता या गाती हूँ. ठीक समय पर खेलता हूँ, जाता हूँ, खेलने जाता हूँ. Like this, same. See, समान तुक वाले शब्द जाओ, खाओ, आओ, लाओ, उड़ाओ, छुड़ाओ, तुड़ाओ, जुड़ाओ. Same thing you have to finish. Okay.